Okay, everybody, happy summer. It's here in the north. Oh, we're waiting for the sun to come and shine and make our days and make us happy. Today, I'm so happy that I'm making this recipe. I have it in my book, a little different version. I'm gonna make some stuffed chicken. And we don't have to wait for a special occasion to make stuffed chicken or stuffed turkey or something. You know, why does it have to be a celebration? Being alive is a celebration. We're using rice. So what we need to start is a little bit of oil and a little bit of butter. We need them both. They each complement one another and all the spices. So the garlic, one dry onion, and then some fresh onions. We saute those. I'm going to use one sausage. I cut this sausage up and I remove the casing. I don't want the casing in this sausage, okay? And we're going to use this sausage, one. And then we're starting with our mushrooms. You know what makes all the difference in this recipe? The butter. And then we're using half of red pepper, half diced. And currants, you know. And now we're putting the dill. Okay, so we're going to put the rice. I'm using arborio rice. I like arborio rice. About a cup. And here I have my magic mix. I have my salt, my pepper, my sugar, my cumin, and my oregano. And these are the spices that I'm going to use for this recipe. Never forget the sugar. It complements, it makes all the difference. You know, when you go to YouTube and you see the recipe, there's comments. Tell me if you like it or if you don't like it. I really don't mind. I'm secure about this recipe. Even if you tell me you don't like it, I really like it. Add a little bit of chicken base. Let's put a little bit of liquid for the rice. Okay, so this is our chicken. It's nicely washed and it's almost dry. And then what we're going to do is season the bird very well. Actually, we have to season it inside first. Now we're going to put some olive oil. We're going to stuff the bird, the beautiful little chicken thing here. We're going to tie the legs. There you go, like this. What I'm going to serve this with is like a melange of potatoes, onions, and carrots. We're going to use about a lemon, the juice of a lemon. So we're going to use some paprika, and then we're going to use some chicken broth. So this is going to go in the oven for about an hour and a half at 350. So have a nice day, everybody. This is Lita.